Quantitative versus qualitative approaches and variation in literacy. Now let us see how different approaches, quantitative and qualitative, are tried to answer or explore the same question about the variations in literacy. So your qualitative study is interested in the variation of meaning that people attach across contexts to literacy. So they will see, for instance, that an ethnographic study of a fishing village in the US would see that how people use literacy in different insider and outsider perspectives and give it specific meaning. And another in Nepal would tell how literacy for females is something else. It means something else. For instance, it would mean challenging of the patriarchal structures, and at times the females over there would have literacy practices that would be done covertly. और इसी तरह मेल्स के लिए लिटरेसी प्रैक्टिसेस या लिटरेसी जो थी वो डिफरेंट थी. नेपाल में इसलिए भी डिफरेंट थी कि somehow the males could control how many times the females could come to gain literacy. In Sierra Leone, the language of the literacy, कौन सी language में literacy would mean something different. For instance, if you have literacy in Arabic in Sierra Leone, it would mean that you gain a higher status in terms of religion, rituals. It is related to secrecy, supernatural things, और आपका उस dimension में आपको देखा जाता है, and that is the status you gain by having literacy in Arabic. If you gain literacy in English, that means you move a step closer to government, to bureaucracy, to technology, and to material wealth. So different languages ki literacy ka people had different meanings attached to it, and there was a variation in how they looked at literacy over there. When you come to quantitative studies need to or are interested in finding out the differences in literacy level. So what are the variations across different groups in terms of gaining literacy? So they are more interested in literacy skills. They will look at literacy achievements. They will look at literacy assessments, self-reports karenge, assessments karenge, and they will see which groups, which types of which types of groups, कितनी length थी program की, जिसकी वजह से literacy gain हुई या नहीं gain हुई. Males में, they'll see the difference between males and females. They might be interested in urban rural contexts, but they are basically interested in literacy skill variation. So they will be interested in literacy of children across nations. They can do that. That is their area. They will look at literacy and socio-economic status. Is literacy related to the socio-economic status of the people? Parental education का क्या impact होता है literacy achieve variation पे? Rural urban या mother tongue? अगर mother tongue में literacy है या दूसरे में schooling होती है, will it have an impact on literacy?